right across on the other side of this small street here, road, some more bathrooms. But on this side is a Little League baseball diamond. They're going to change into a cricket court, which is an ongoing thing, so I think it's a good idea. There's a baseball diamond. Somebody exercising, taking a jog. The next video, I'll get you closer to, take you closer, give you a closer view to those diamonds and what used to be a picnic area. They've taken all the picnic tables out of there now. There used to be a whole bunch of them.